Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything outside the house. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are tired of spending your weekends pushing a heavy lawnmower, battling stubborn weeds, and watching your water bill skyrocket just to keep a patchy patch of grass alive, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into a landscaping revolution that will save your time, your money, and your sanity. We are exploring the most stunning, eco-friendly, and completely low-maintenance grass alternatives that will make your neighbors green with envy. Say goodbye to the endless chore of lawn care, and hello to a breathtaking yard that practically takes care of itself. Let's get started. When we talk about grass alternatives for lawn landscaping, we mean replacing traditional tough grass with a variety of low-growing plants, ground covers, or hardscape materials that require little to no mowing, minimal watering, and zero chemical fertilizers. For decades, the standard green lawn has been the default choice for backyards, but it is also a massive time sink and an environmental drain. Choosing a grass alternative means embracing a modern, sustainable approach to landscaping. Ground covers like clover, creeping thyme, or ornamental moss create a lush, living carpet that naturally resists pests, suppresses weeds, and stays vibrant with a fraction of the upkeep. There are incredibly compelling reasons to make the switch to an alternative lawn. First and foremost is the liberation from the weekly mowing routine, giving you back your valuable weekends. Beyond saving labor, these alternatives are a massive win for your wallet and the planet. Traditional lawns are notoriously thirsty, whereas native ground covers and xeriscaping thrive on rainfall alone once established. Furthermore, by eliminating the need for synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, you create a safer environment for your family and pets while actively supporting local pollinators like bees and butterflies. It is a smarter, more resilient, and undeniably more stylish way to design your outdoor living space. A well-manicured grass lawn complements a home and property, but it's not for every home or every homeowner. Lawn alternatives can replace traditional grass without grass maintenance duties, thirst for water, or need for frequent mowing. One, clover. White clover or microclover look like lawns, without many of traditional tough grass downsides. Clover hugs the ground, rarely growing higher than 2 to 8 inches. Because of this, many homeowners switch their lawns to clover lawns. Microclover has small leaves and few flowers, while white clover has larger leaves and many white flowers. Mowing is infrequent and no fertilization is required. Planting a clover lawn is as easy as sprinkling topsoil over an even distribution of seeds, followed by watering. If you're not ready to give up the turf, clover can be overseeded into an existing tough grass lawn. Clover lawns don't tolerate shade well though. Clover stains clothing and it attracts stinging insects. 2. Moss. Bright green and effortless to maintain. A moss lawn vies with clover as being the lawn alternative that looks the most like actual turf. A moss lawn never needs mowing. It always remains low to the ground, for the look of freshly cut grass. This dense plant spreads quickly and grows well on slopes and hillsides. Moss grows well in poor soil and doesn't need fertilizers. Moss prefers shady conditions though, so growing moss in sunnier areas can be a challenge. Moss doesn't stand up well to heavy foot traffic, nor does it grow well in high alkaline soil. 3. Ground cover. A ground cover plant rapidly spreads to cover large expanses of ground. As a perennial plant, ground cover grows for at least 2 full seasons. Even when dormant, a perennial's root systems remain alive, so the plant will grow again when conditions change. The vast and diverse plant category of ground covers includes tough, fast-spreading creeping wire vine, drought-tolerant blue rug juniper or myoporum, tall Japanese forest grass, and colorful flowering ground covers like isoplant and common periwinkle. Most ground cover plants grow so dense that they block weeds. Most ground covers stick close to the ground, allowing other plants to take visual precedence. Ground covers tend to be fairly low maintenance. Ground cover plants around trees can lead to root girdling, where the cover essentially strangles the tree, threatening its health. Some ground covers look scrappy and dry when they go dormant. 4. Buffalo grass. Buffalo grass grows in dense, deeply rooted clumps about a foot in diameter and 4 to 6 inches high. This irregularly shaped grass needs little mowing or clipping and is an excellent lawn alternative for slopes. Buffalo grass extreme depth root system, up to 6 feet deep, tightly knits this grass to the ground. This makes buffalo grass an excellent choice for naturally controlling soil erosion. This warm season grass stands up well to drought conditions. Growing in self-contained clumps, buffalo grass won't give you the look of a smooth, uninterrupted lawn. 5. Artificial grass. Artificial grass looks just like real grass, even down to its shaggy cut and blades of differing shapes and colors. It's visually closer to the look of real grass than any other lawn alternative. Artificial grass never needs watering, mowing, weeding, or fertilizing. Its color remains the same throughout all seasons. Long used a lawn alternative for sports fields, artificial grass is tough and durable. It's also partially made from recycled materials like tires and carpeting. Installing artificial grass is difficult. While you can do it yourself, it's usually best to leave this project in the hands of qualified installers. Artificial grass becomes hotter than natural turf. Crumb rubber cushioning used under artificial grass may leach hazardous chemicals. 2. 6. Sedge. Sedge or carex plants are perennials that spread well due to their rhizome root systems. Rhizomes are often associated with invasive plants like bamboo. With sedge plants, the rhizomes create a tough mat just below ground level that resists foot traffic. Popular sedge plants include two-toned, coppery brown Japanese sedge, as well as wispy brown New Zealand sedge. With over 2,000 varieties, sedge plants provide various color choices. They are tough and they thrive in wet or dry soils. Fluffy and often unruly, most sedges don't approximate the look of a traditional lawn. Some types, like mountain sedge, Carex montana, remain fairly short, about 6 inches high. 7. Carpetgrass. Carpetgrass or blanket grass is a creeping perennial that can approximate the look of tough grass when mowed frequently. As a slow grower, carpetgrass can take a couple of seasons to fully replace a lawn area. Like other lawn alternatives, carpetgrass is tough and hardy, forming a tight mat-like sublayer. Carpetgrass works well in difficult conditions. Carpetgrass requires frequent mowing, up to once a week in the summer. So, planting carpetgrass instead of traditional tough grass won't spare you from mowing. 8. Sedum. Sedums are a favorite alternative to traditional turf lawns because they stay low. Up to 500 varieties of sedums exist. Popular species are white sedum, cascade stonecrop, blue spruce, and Japanese stonecrop. The alternative name for sedums, stonecrop, is apt because sedums thrive in dry, rocky conditions. Most sedum varieties are deer-resistant. Not all sedum varieties can stand up to foot traffic, especially flowering sedums like Angelina stonecrop. 9. Xeriscape. Xeriscape landscaping is a blend of organic and inorganic elements. A xeriscape yard employs dry weather plants like cacti and succulents, along with inorganic touches like rocks, gravel, and dirt. Xeriscapes eliminate the need for irrigation because self-sustaining plants can be added. No chemicals are necessary, and xeriscape plants rarely brown because they are highly drought-resistant. Unless designed with care, xeriscapes can look bare and austere. The elements used in xeriscapes, cacti, rocks, shrubs, deter foot traffic. 10. Gravel. Pea gravel and crushed gravel are inorganic lawn alternatives, so they last a long time and require less maintenance than many other options. Pea gravel comes in various colors including gray, cream, tan, gold, and white. Crushed gravel is angular and gray. Installing pea gravel is simple and DIY friendly. After receiving the bulk product, build an enclosure of pressure-treated wood, lay down landscape fabric, and gently rake out the gravel. Gravel is extremely foot traffic ready. You can even park vehicles on it. Gravel is low maintenance, not zero maintenance. Despite the presence of landscape fabric, weeds will eventually develop. Pea gravel shifts and scatters. Crushed gravel remains in place better than pea gravel. Transforming your yard with grass alternatives is not just about reducing your weekend chores. It is about reimagining what a beautiful, functional outdoor space can be. Whether you decide to plant a fragrant carpet of creeping thyme, a lush bed of clover, or opt for a sleek, modern gravel landscape mixed with hardy perennials, you are choosing a yard that works for you, not the other way around. Landscaping should bring you joy and peace, not a never-ending to-do list. By stepping away from the traditional turf lawn, you are stepping into a more sustainable, creative, and effortlessly beautiful garden design. If you are ready to ditch the lawnmower and upgrade your curb appeal, make sure to hit that like button right now. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs and click the notification bell so you never miss our weekly tips on creating your dream outdoor space. We want to hear from you. Which of these grass alternatives would look best in your yard? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. We read and reply to as many as we can. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.